guys, today I'm hanging out by the pool and decided to try out these awesome sarongs. They're made by Ekouaer. And I actually paired two of them together for a really cool look that I feel like I would be comfortable wearing during the day or in the evening out to a bar. If you want to just take a great look, they look fantastic with these Leviticus over the knee boots. I'll do a little spin. So if you're interested, we'll link in the bio. We'll link below. And there will be a promo code. They're around $10 each. But if you get two of them, you can make a whole outfit. They come in many different colors, but of course I like the black because it goes with itself and it goes with everything else. So you should definitely get some. Tell us about how creative you got with them and enjoy the rest of your summer. Bye.